We're about to die.
Shut up. I'm going a good speed limit.
How good of a speed limit?
Like perfect. I'm on 20. Oh, sorry.
Because if you go on 21, you might get a ticket. Blinker.
I remember.
Go ahead and 10. Careful. Brake.
Mom, I knew. I have to slow down because I need to be able to get to the parking spot.
Patrick must have went to training. So make sure you
I
slow
thought
down.
he was gone already when we were there.
He went to go to Home Depot.
Mom, can I do what makes it easier for me to pull in here? Just go around to that so I can go straight in?
I guess so.
She guesses so.
Because that's what I did with Jared. When I stole the vehicle.
I'm gonna go too fast in here.
I know, I'm going about 15.
Watch for helpless children.
Yep. Always gotta check your mirrors. Okay, here's the stop sign.
You can always move up a little bit to make sure you see.
Hi, Emma.
Hi.
Oi.
Did you blink on? Yeah, I gotta put that blinker on.
You got me.
I didn't hear that. Oh, I bet this is
Recording?
before it closes.
Yes, I am recording.
I watched both, or I checked the lane before I went into it, Mom, because I have to cross these cars. And now I'm gonna pull right into
I
here.
think that house is a foreclosure. Okay.
Maybe he lost his job or something.
Look into that.
Why? Why would you want to move when we're in the same neighborhood? You want to move out of the neighborhood? Well,
No.
not even out of the neighborhood.
No.
Because if it gets sold as a foreclosure, it affects the rest of the neighborhood as far as house value goes.
What's those mailboxes, girl?
I'm not gonna hit a nail
You're the
box.
postman.
Okay. Because when I do this, like I did it once with Jared, and it made it so much easier for me to slide right in.
You look like you're going right.
Hi, friend. I don't know who they are. And now the spotlight or the stoplight is for me, right? Because it's facing me.
Yep. Stop.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to do the thing that Patrick's friend taught me. He's like, go on the brake, let off, and then ease back on.
Slightly, yeah. Yeah, move it that way, but not too much. Go slow. Go a little more if you can. Straight line.
Perfect.
Yep, stop. That's good. What did that for?
What?
You did that.
Because it annoys me when it's on there.
¿Qué genial condiciendo?
Not that one.
Ah! What'd I do?
I don't know, but that's not the one. Yeah.
Not bad?
Not bad.